Hey, good morning everybody. What I got here is one of our Godzillas, and I happen to have the proud owner of this new Godzilla. This is Jason. This happens to be one of our 625 Godzillas, the 7.3, newest thing on the market. Been building a ton of them. Jason, you just got done seeing your motor run. What do you think, man?
I think it's amazing. It's awesome. Much bigger than I thought.
He came in here, he was talking to Steve. He said, I want a 460 Ford. Steve goes, no you don't, you want the Godzilla. This is the thing that's you're gonna put that in your truck, gonna plant in your seat, make tons of torque off idle, right through the RPM band. And this is the newest thing out there. And I'm gonna tell you something. Jason, you're gonna love this thing.
Love it already.
I mean, what can you not add? It's the front pulley system on it, gorgeous. And it's fuel injected, it's gonna be reliable, not like a carbureted motor. And the 460s, they're dinosaurs. So you gotta go new technology today.
Sure, it's awesome. Awesome.
Beautiful.
Thank you very much. Really appreciate it.
My friend, thank you. Welcome to the family.
Thank you very much.
All right, Jason, I have your 73 Ford F250 engine on the dyno. 7.3 Godzilla. Look out, here he comes.